In this video, you will learn how fossil fuels pollute the area with harmful chemicals.
The U.S. uses the most fossil fuels in the entire world. 86% of America's energy consumption is fossil fuels.
Do you know what fossil fuels are?
Aren't they oil?
Yes, they are. Do you know any advantages or disadvantages of them?
No, I have no idea.
What about how they can be prevented?
No.
Alright, well, we'll show you!
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Fossil fuels are energy from fossilized organic materials, such as coal, oil, petroleum, and natural gases. Fossil fuels are non-renewable resources because they take millions of years to form, and reserves are being depleted much faster than new ones are being made. Burning fossil fuels produces around 21.3 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year. Environmental effects. More than 90% of greenhouse gases come from the combustion of fossil fuels. They also produce other pollutants such as nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and heavy metals. Combustion of fossil fuels generates pollutants which fall to Earth as acid rain, impacting natural areas.
The advantages of fossil fuels is that a great amount of electricity can be generated in one place very inexpensively. Another one is that it's easy to transport oil and gas to power stations. And another advantage is as long as a large quantity of fuel can get to it, fossil fuel power stations can be built almost anywhere.
Disadvantages of fossil fuels. Pollution. Burning fossil fuels produce carbon dioxide, which contributes to greenhouse gases. It is dangerous to send people into coal mines, areas, and caves, and destroys the land. Coal-fired power stations need a large amount of fuel, which means coal is transported almost constantly.
Ways you can cut back: commuting. Instead of driving everywhere, you can ride your bike or walk. People that live in very populated areas do not need to drive everywhere they go. Riding the bus or carpooling reduces the number of cars on the road, which decreases the amount of fossil fuel used.
In the home. Conservation. Use less electricity, natural gas, heating, and cooling, because these all require fossil fuels. If you currently use a fireplace or heating, try switching to electric heating. You can try to have the possibility of geothermal heating and cooling. It can be the cheapest and most efficient source.
General tips. Turning off lights in rooms that are not being occupied reduces the use of plastics. Using less resources will at some point reduce fossil fuel use.
Okay, does that help?
Oh yeah, it's very